Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and you all are earning a good amount of money. So guys, again here I am with one more cool trick by which you can earn a good amount of money online. Yes guys, you will be earning a good amount of money online, and all you need to do is just listen music. Yes guys, how wonderful it is. You just think you will be paid for listening music. All of you must love music, all of you must be listening music on daily in your daily life. So guys, what if you will be paid for listening music? Yes guys, so today this trick is going to show you that how you can earn money just by listening music. All you need to do is just you have to have a Spotify account. Yes guys, you must have a Spotify account with some followers, and you will be paid just for listening music. So guys, now I'm going to show you that which site offers you money for listening music. So guys, that site is called Playlist Push. Yes guys, this is a site called Playlist Push, and this is the homepage of this site. And here you can release your music. Suppose you are a music creator, you can release your music and promote it here. If you are a TikToker, you can promote your TikTok video. And suppose you are a curator, you can review music, write reviews about it, and you will be paid. Yes guys, you will be paid for listening music. For each review you will be paid around $12. Yes guys, for a single music, for a single review, you will be paid $12. Suppose if in a day you listen around 10 to 20 music, you will be paid $120 to $240 a day. And guys, that's a very good amount, I must say. So guys, let me show you that what you have to do. This is the basic home page of this site. This site is for artists too. They can release their music and promote it here. And this is for curators too. Like, we are curators, we will be reviewing music, we will be listening music and giving review about song, and will be paid for every review and for every song. So guys, here you can see their network. They have 23 million plus listeners, they have 970 plus curators. And guys, this site is purely genuine, because here you can see this site is being mentioned by Fortune 500 and Medium and Cat Baby and all these big bulls of this business. And now here you can see what artist thinks about this site. This shows that this site is totally genuine. So guys, all you need to do is just click on this icon called become a curator, and you will be directed to a page where you have to just enter your country and your number of followers on Spotify. Just this only. Then you have to start listening to music. Now I'll show you some tips for curators that this site says. Here you can see you will be get paid to review songs. Yes guys, here you can see it's written get paid to review songs, and you will be paid around $12 per song review. Yes guys, $12 per song review. And the best part is that they have instant payouts. You can instantly pay out the money into your bank account. You can have PayPal account. You will be paid in the PayPal account for every view, for every listening song. So guys, this is the basic way. This is the site called Playlist Push, where you can link your Spotify account and you will be paid only for listening music and reviewing about them. And the rate is $12 per song. All you need to do is just listen 10 to 20 songs per day, and you will be paid $120 to $240. And guys, there is no upper limit. You can listen as many as songs and you can review them, and you will be paid accordingly. So guys, keep earning, keep liking this video, and guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, because on this channel I am posting these kinds of video regularly by which you can earn money. So guys, wish you a very happy and healthy life.